Hello guys, welcome back again. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show to you how to create a motion of a text on Capcut application. The way to create it, you just need to open your Capcut and then create this white background, and then adding it onto your clip like this. Let me remove this one. Okay, and now the next part, you just need to insert a text onto this clip. So for example, I'm going to type how, and then I'm going to change the color from it onto a green color like this and positioning it onto this side, this one. Put it there and go back to your page, and now you can duplicate this text, duplicate it just like that, and then click this duplicated text and change the words. So for me, I will type create a motion like this, and I'm going to change the color onto a black color, this one, and I'm going to increase it, and now duplicate it one more time, move it on this side, change the words on CapCut like this, and for this part I'm going to change it onto a green color again. Increase the size of the text like this. Okay, I will decrease this one because it's too big. Okay, just like this, and now insert an animation on each words on this clip, and you can use any animation that you want. For me, I'm going to use this for the first words, and the second words I'm going to add this, I think I will use this pop-up, and for the third words I will adding this animation like that. And now the next step, you just need to add a keyframe onto each clip of text like this on this first side, and then now adding a new keyframe again on the end of the animation. Okay, like this, and like this, and after that swipe left again. Now we can move this text outside of the background, just like that. And when you're done, you can cut this onto this, you can cut the duration from it like this, and now insert a new text onto this clip. Insert a new text again, and I will type subscribe like this. Put it on this side. Okay, I will put it here. Sorry. Okay, I'm going to put it there and click the text, and you can adjust the style of the text and the color as you want. So I think I'm just going to change the color onto a black color like this. Okay, increase the size a little bit more and put it on this side. And now the next part, you need to add an animation, as same as the previous step that you already see before. So I'm going to add this animation and duplicate the text, duplicate it, put it there. Here on the first text that you are adding, the subscribe text, you need to add a keyframe again onto it like this, and add a keyframe again on the end of the animation. And now move your swipe your screen, and you can move this onto the position that you want. For me, I'm going to put it there and decrease the size like that. And let's go to the second text that we are duplicate before. Change the tag. For me, I'm going to change it onto long tips like this. Go to style and change the color of it as you want. I'm just going to change it onto this green color. And now the next part, you need to positioning the last text, these tongue tips words, this one that I already create like this, onto this exact duration when the text is moving onto the left side like that, just like that. And when you're done, now we can see the result and it will be look like this. And that's the way how to create this text animation on CapCut application. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.